In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create banner design in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to find a high quality template in the Figma community, open it in your workspace, and customize it so it looks polished and on brand. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser. If you have an account, sign in so you can save your work. If not, you can use a free account to follow along. Once you're on the homepage, look for the community section. This is where creators share files and templates you can use or remix, and it's the fastest way to jumpstart a banner without designing from scratch. Inside community, use the search bar at the top and type banner design. Give it a second to load results. You'll typically see a mix of files, templates, and sometimes plugins. Focus on files designed specifically for banners. If there's a filter option, choose files to keep things simple. Skim the thumbnails and titles and pick a style that matches your goal, whether it's a clean marketing header, a bold event promotion, or a social media banner. Click the template you like to open its details. Here you can preview pages, read a short description, and often see the dimensions included. It's a good idea to check that the size fits your intended platform, like a website hero or a social header. When you're ready, click Open in Figma. This will either open the file directly in your browser or prompt you to add a copy to your drafts. Either way, you'll end up with an editable version in your workspace. Once the file opens, take a quick tour, look at the left sidebar to see layers and pages, and glance at the right sidebar for properties like colors, text, and effects. Now it's time to customize. Double-click any headline to change the copy, keep it concise, and make sure the font size remains readable from a distance. If the template uses shared styles, stick with them to keep spacing and hierarchy consistent. To replace images, select the image layer and use the image fill in the right panel to swap in your own, or drag and drop a new image from your desktop. Hold Shift while scaling to maintain proportions, and position focal points so they aren't cropped awkwardly. For colors, adjust fills or apply a different color style to match your brand palette. If the file includes components, edit the main component to update repeated elements everywhere. Use alignment tools and smart guides to keep everything tidy, and preview at 100% zoom to check clarity. When you're happy, your banner is customized and ready to use.